Good evening, sir. My name is Robert Lino P. Viacrucis, 21 years old from Matag Oblite, Section Power Plant 2F. This is my final video exam. This is a question. Should divorce law be legalized in the Philippines? My answer for me is no, because divorce law should not be legalized in the Philippines. It may negatively affect children. Divorce can cause emotional distress, insecurity, and confusion, especially at the young age. Children may struggle with broken family structures, reduced parental guidance, and emotional stability. Keep marriage intact, encourage parents to work through problems and maintain a stable home, which is often essential for a children's emotional and moral development. Question number 2. One of your parents is suffering from stage 4 cancer and will be eventually die in a few days' time. The patient experiences extreme and excruciating pain every time that cancer attacks. Will you give your consent to end the patient's life euthanasia or not prolong the pain and agony suffered? Explain. My answer. I would not give my consent to euthanasia because life is a gift from God and only God has authority to give and take life. Ending a person's life even to stop suffering goes against God's will and the moral teaching of many religions. In Islam's 103:6, the Lord execute righteousness and for all that are oppressed. Humans are called to protect life, not to deliberately and it. As a child, I believe my responsibility is to care my parents, comfort them, and respect the natural course of life. Instead, ending of my parents' life, I would choose prolonged life with compassion, focusing on care. Modern medicines offer ways to manage pain, reduce sufferings, and provide comfort, dignity, and emotional support during the final days, offering love and ensuring they not feel alone.